how to convert decimal number to hexadecimal number. So, first example natin, convert natin yung number 33 into hexadecimal number. So, 33 base 10, convert natin siya into hexadecimal number. Ang base number natin for hexadecimal number ay 16. So, first step, kunin ulit natin yung quotient and then our remainder. So, kunin natin yung given, which is 33. And then, our divisor, since nasa hexadecimal tayo, ang ating divisor ay 16. So, 33 divided by 16, that is 2. And our remainder is 1. And then 2 divided by 16 is 0. Remainder, 2. And then, our final answer here is 2, 1, base 16. Okay, so another example tayo. Let's try to convert 31 base 10 into hexadecimal number. So, first, kunin ulit natin ang quotient and our remainder. And then, kunin natin ang ating given, which is 31. 31 divided by 16. So, 31 divided by 16, that is equal to 1. And our remainder is 15. And then, kunin ulit natin ang quotient dahil hindi pa siya nag-0. 1 divided by 16, that is 0. And our remainder here is 1. So, paano natin kukunin yung sagot? So, from dito sa ating remainder, from bottom to up, 1 and 15. So, sabi ko, nung i-introduce natin ang computer numbers system, ang 15, i-consider ng ating computer as 2 digits yan, which is 1, 5. So, ano yung sinabi ko sa inyo before? Ang equivalent ng ating 15 para basahin siya ng computer natin as 1 digit. Pagdating sa hexadecimal, ang magiging sagot natin dyan, 15 is equivalent to letter F. Ang ating sagot dyan ay 31 is equivalent to 1 F.